Welcome to the tutorial for the Pro-1000 Propane Branding Tool. To get started using the Pro-1000 Propane Branding Iron, you will need the following items: the Pro-1000 burner with a branding head attached, the included hex key, a 20-pound liquid propane gas tank, a 26mm wrench or adjustable wrench, a flint striker, long match or other safe ignition device, and a brick or similar burn-proof flat object to rest the hot branding head during heat up and cool down. First, take the gas regulator included on the end of the hose that came with your Pro-1000 branding iron and connect it to the propane tank. Turn the coupler nut counterclockwise to the left to connect it, and then use the wrench to ensure a tight fit. Take your branding tool and measure the distance from the end of the burner to the back of the attached brand. It should be approximately 2 inches away from the end of the burner. If needed, loosen the bolts on either side that lock the rods in place and then gently slide the rods and branding head to get the appropriate distance away from the burner before retightening the bolts, being sure not to over-tighten. With the branding tool resting on the flat burn-proof surface, first turn the valve on the propane tank or cylinder on, before then turning on the valve on the handle of the Pro-1000 burner. When you hear gas flowing out the end of the burner, use a flint striker or other long-handled safe ignition device to light the gas. Adjust the flame if needed, and then rest the iron back on the flat burn-proof surface to heat up. The time it takes to heat up a head will vary depending on size. Generally, however, it will take between 2 to 3 minutes for smaller heads, like the one we are using here, while larger heads can require more time. Be sure to check your branding head on a scrap piece of material you intend on branding to see if it is at the correct temperature throughout the heat-up process, to ensure it doesn't overheat. Once the branding head has heated up, you're ready to start branding.